Good morning, dear students. So this is your social studies class. Today in this class we will continue next chapter, that is chapter number 13, the earth and the solar system. So here students, we will understand about the earth and the solar system. So let us begin the chapter. So students, here we can see the first topic is the solar system. So earth also belong to the solar system. Earth is also one of the planet of the solar system. So students, solar here means of or from the sun. So as you can see the diagram of solar system here, so you can find that the sun is in the center and all the planets revolve around the sun. So earth is also one of the planet, it also revolves around the sun. So students, you can see in the solar system consists of 8 planets, as you can see here. So the first planet is Mercury, then we have Venus, then third we have Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and last is the Neptune. So all the 8 planets revolve around the sun. Okay. And students, all these planets revolve in a fixed orbit. So orbit here means the path where the planets are revolving. Okay, so they are revolving around the sun in a fixed orbit, that is their path. So as you can see here, a very thin line in your book, that is the orbit, and they will move in that orbit around the sun. So if they are not moving in a fixed orbit, so the planet can collide with each other. So students, you can see here in the solar system diagram that Mercury is very close to the sun. So the first planet is Mercury and it's closest to the sun. Then we have Venus. So Venus is very hot, it is known as hottest planet. Okay, then you can see Jupiter is there. So Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. As you can see the size of Jupiter, it's very big. So students, along with these planets and other satellites, the solar system also consists of asteroids. As you can see, there is an asteroid belt between Mars and the Jupiter. So you can see there that this is the asteroid belt. So here solar system also comes of asteroid. Then we have comets, then also the other natural satellites. Okay, next we will talk about is moon. So moon is the earth's nearest neighbor. Okay students, as we have neighbor at our home, like who lives beside us. So likewise students, moon is also the neighbor of the earth and it is the natural satellite of earth. Okay, next we have is the asteroid and comets. So asteroids are the chunks of rocks and metals found in solar system. So here chunks means the small pieces of rocks. Okay students, like we have planet, the size of planet is very big. So when the planet broke into pieces, so it made the asteroids. Okay, so here the scientist thinks that they are loose material that never formed into planet. So scientists are thinking that these asteroids are the loose material that never be a planet. So these asteroids are very big rocks and metals. Next I talked to you about the asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Next we have comet. So comet is a mass of ice and dust rocky particles with a long tail. So this comet is a very huge mass of ice and dust. So ice, dust and the rocky particles are mixed and it make a very huge structure. So that is the comet, and the comet has a very long tail with it. Next we have stars. So you can see stars at night in the sky students. So stars twinkle very bright at night and our sun is also a star. So these stars students look very small from the earth. So why it looks very small? Because these stars are very far away from the earth, but the sun is also a star, and the sun looks little bigger than the other stars because students, sun is very close to the earth. That's why it looks little bigger. There are millions and millions of stars in the space, students. Our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. We have different galaxies in the space. So this solar system is in Milky Way galaxy. So students, we will do till here in this class. We will continue with the exercises of this chapter.